This anti-inflammatory drug destroys your immune system. Fight inflammation with these foods instead. Prednisone is a man-made form of your body's natural corticosteroids, which serve to alleviate inflammation. Prednisone suppresses the immune system in order to treat inflammation. It actually prevents the immune system response in the case of all kinds of health issues, and thus prevents inflammation. It is commonly used all around the world in the case of all kinds of conditions, autoimmune disorders, muscle sprains, and eczema. However, its use has been found to lead to severe side effects. This is how it affects the body. Its use for years leads to serious adverse effects to the body, such as high blood sugar, inhibited hormone production by the adrenal glands, susceptibility to fractures and weakened bones, infections that cannot be fought by the immune system, cataracts or other eye damage. Yet, these effects can be easily avoided by the use of natural alternatives instead. For instance, the use of prednisone might also lead to an autoimmune disease known as dermatomyositis, which leads to serious side effects, like elevated blood sugar levels, constant urge to urinate, acne, scars, and many others. Moreover, the use of prednisone also leads to emotional instability or hyperactivity, weight gain, and obesity. Yet, we suggest 6 natural ways to treat inflammation and avoid this dangerous drug. Avoid junk food. Processed foods and sugar promote inflammation. In contrast, you should focus on healthy fats, vegetables, and grass-fed meats. Avoid grains. Gluten causes various allergies and disorders, and people are often unaware of it. Yet, its elimination quickly solves the problem. Gluten and all grains support inflammation in the body. Therefore, avoid it for some time to see the response of your body and find out if you are sensitive to it. Note that you mustn't eat it to see the effects of a gluten-free diet. More vitamin C. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that chronic health issues. It is recommended that you take 500 milligrams of vitamin C a day. Moreover, make sure you consume citrus fruits, watermelons, and peppers. Increase the omega-3s intake. Omega-3s are essential fatty acids that are potent natural anti-inflammatories. The balance of omega-6 and omega-3 is essential for the body. The increased intake of omega-3s will promote brain and skin health and support healthy nerve function. Therefore, consume more seeds, oils like coconut oil, fish, nuts, and grass-fed meats. Use turmeric. Turmeric is an extremely potent anti-inflammatory spice with bright yellow-orange color. You can consume it through golden milk or add it to meals. Take half teaspoon of turmeric daily to prevent inflammation, and you can also mix it with ginger. Eat pineapple. An enzyme known as bromelain, which is found in pineapple, treats allergies as well as inflammatory responses. It also destroys bacteria and treats wounds. It is also rich in vitamin C and has a delicious taste. Therefore, avoid prednisone to prevent its toxic effects on the body, and use these anti-inflammatory remedies instead.